Two, three, go. Hello everyone, my name is Jared Asher Mindalya from BlockJ. Let us know what is technology. Technology refers to a method, system, and devices which are the result of scientific knowledge used for practical purposes. What is the effect of uh, technology on human life? Technology has a bigger impact to our life because right now we use it every day. There are positive and negative effect of technology. One of the positive effect is the fast communication. We use technology like gadgets to communicate with them. In just one click, they will receive the text immediately. One of the example is transportation. You can use vehicle to go wherever you want. You can go as fast as you want because of the vehicle. One of the example is they improve the medical care and they invent some medicines because of the technology. No. But there is a negative effect of technology on human life. One of the example is like the vehicle, the air pollution, the smoke na pumupunta sa taas. That is one of the example of the negative effect of technology. The overuse of cell phones. Mas natututok na tayo sa cellphone. Hindi na natin nagagawang lumabas dahil nakatutok na tayo ngayon sa cellphone.